Have you seen my car? Someone stole my car. Have you seen it? It can't be far. It's about 5'5" in height, kinda petite in width. Weighs about 125 pounds, maybe less. That's the description I can give for now, because I haven't had any rest. Oh yeah, manufactured in the West Indies, along the territory of St. Thomas. The only reason I'm looking is 'cause I care. Can you help me find my car? I love my car. Without it, I can't go very far. White interior, black exterior, it could not be for my car. Please tell me you have seen my car. The last time I saw it, I left the keys in the ignition 'cause I was on the phone. I simply forgot to lock it until I realized it was gone. When I could not find the keys in my pocket, someone must have slipped in and out, probably taking it for a ride. I miss washing my car with words of wisdom, simple conversation, passion. It taught me how to love, share, and care. Now my life without her is a nightmare. Running out of patience, nervous as hell. Has he wrecked my car? Probably repainted it, I don't know. Can't eat, can't sleep, please Lord, tell me, have you seen my car?